Yes, I definitely want to know more about this property. What is going on? In this video, I'm going to show you the extremes of a property that we do like to buy, and I specifically love to buy, which is trying to help a neighborhood out. And yeah, let's see how this is going to go. I'm not sure. All right, let's check out this property. Of it right here, this property has been burnt big time, and so there was a fire. It was right off the interstate. If you guys know where this street is, I am interested. So we're going to be finding out exactly who the owner is, because I believe, I live in Lakeland, and I kind of believe that if you cannot, the only way you could really improve a neighborhood is buy it. So if you see right here, whole entire roof's got to be changed out, garage got to be changed, everything except the structure of the home has been compromised. And so what I don't like is that this is next to a school, and this is next to, you've got a elderly home over there. Right down there, you've got actually the water, which is great. But if you see here, look at this main street. Yep. So you see right here, all this got crushed in. And if you look really, really close, everything around here got messed up as well. If you look really, really close, it actually incaved as well. It's a fence throughout, so I don't want to just jump the fence, but I may. And if you see, all this needs to be taken out. Again, if anybody sees properties like this, we're interested in it, because I believe the only way you can't change a neighborhood if you're just leaving houses like this. This is horrible for the value of the properties. If you've got that property over there and you've got this over here, what do you think is going to happen to that property over there? This is gonna decrease the value if it stays like this. And some of these properties stay like this for years. That's not the goal. We are trying to transform neighborhoods as quickly as we can. I'm gonna do my research and we'll see exactly what happens. But these are the type of properties that we love. Obviously, if you know somebody that has a property like that is 100% wanting to sell, or just like, man, it's an eyesore, and you could get their information. That's the biggest thing. We need their information. Or if you're that individual who's like, look, my property's got a lot of work, and I know the only way I could actually sell it is I actually need to find somebody with cash to actually close on it. Because these types of properties over here, you can't get a mortgage on that kind of property. So it's either gonna sit, or you're gonna have to find a cash buyer, and there's not too many individuals with real cash that can actually fix that property up to par to help the entire neighborhood. So help me get this thing situated. Because if not, it's just going to sit there and rot, and that's horrible. We don't want that at all. So if you know anybody, click the link below, send me a private message, let me know. But this is the kind of stuff I love doing, and our entire team does. Again, Franklin Cruz, I'm out. Bye.